My good sis, what are you doing?
I'm over here braiding my hair because you don't want to.
What kind of ghetto mess is that?
The ghetto mess.
You get your hair done, you gotta braid your own hair?
Yes. Wow. And it's thick and I'm hot and I'm dying.
See, folks, that's how it goes down over here. Y'all be talking about y'all want me to do your hair. No, y'all don't. I told y'all I'm lazy. Y'all thought I was playing.
She's definitely lazy. She definitely don't want to do it at all. I have my whole titties on. Put my shirt on.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Wiggins Hair, and I'm going to be reviewing their loose deep wave 13x6 unit. And this is my beautiful friend showcasing you guys all the lovely things that are included in the box. Y'all be sure to follow her on social media at Just Chardell. I'll put her information across the screen.
And we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon.
So right now I'm just showing you guys what this unit looks like before I do any customization to it. And this unit does come slightly pre-plucked. As you can see, the wig cap she has on is too light for her, so I gave her a wig cap that was more suited to her complexion. And I decided to go ahead and do a ball cap for this install. And ladies, if you haven't already seen, I have a very easy to follow ball cap tutorial. I'll be sure to link it in the eye to the right, and you can click to watch that when you're done with this tutorial. So I include clips showing how I pluck my units in every video. And I do it with hopes that after continuously seeing me pluck the units, it will eventually start to click on how easy it is for you to do. There's really no right or wrong way to pluck. Some people pluck from the back while others pluck from the front. It's really all a matter of preference. You should try both methods out and see what works best for you.
And we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon.
Now you may have noticed when she tried the wig on initially that the lace was lighter than her complexion. So I'm going to go in with my Tint spray. This is by Tailored Crown. This is in the color medium brown. And I like to apply 2 layers when using this Tint spray. For some reason the one layer just doesn't seem to suffice.
I met you in the summertime with your fine ass Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy.
And dolls, please remember that this Tint spray is temporary, so it will wash out when you wash your hair.
I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room. They don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party.
I didn't notice at first glance that the knots on this unit were kind of dark, too dark for my taste. And I honestly wish I would have just gone ahead and bleached the knots. But my friend was pressed for time, so I decided to just use this Sally Hansen leg spray to camouflage the knots on this unit.
And we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now, but we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer.
So my friend is like me and she don't really like to wear her units glued down. So I did a simple install using the Got2B Glued spray. I skipped showing you guys the install because I have plenty of videos highlighting how I glue down my units on my channel. If you haven't seen any, just pick one from off my channel and you could see the method that I use. So if you guys follow me, you guys know that I'm not really big on baby hair. However, my friend really loves baby hair and she likes them to be noticeable. Like I'm more towards the light baby hair, but she likes the but she feels like if she's wearing a wig, it's not complete if she don't have no baby hair. So right here I'm just applying the baby hairs to her hairline for her, and we're just chatting it up and everything. And once I'm finished doing that, what I'm gonna do is, usually I would use my hot comb, but since this is a wavy / curly unit, I'm just gonna go on top of the unit with some of my Lotta Body mousse, and I want y'all to watch on how this mousse just lays this unit right down and gets it more flat. You know, without this it would look wiggish on top, but as I'm applying the mousse and using the brush, it's just laying it nice and flat. And then I'm just gonna tie her hairline down for about 5 to 10 minutes just to get it to kind of melt in a little bit. And while I'm waiting, I'm applying some of this Got2B Glued kinkier mousse. And as you can see, that's gonna really help to bring out the waves in this unit.
Take it slow, got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby.
We waited for probably about 5 minutes because she really had someplace to go. But you'll notice that the hair is melted a lot better with her scalp. And then I'm just gonna go in with some of my makeup powder and apply that to the part and the front of the hairline just to get that all blended in.
Summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party, live too fast.
And lastly, guys, this step is optional. I'm still trying to figure out if I actually like it. And that's just applying this temporary hairspray to the part, and that's just going to thin out the part. It's really just a matter of preference. This is definitely not necessary. And dolls, y'all will not believe that I lost the final footage of her showing off this hair. But luckily I did grab some pictures and I'm able to show you my sis slaying this unit. But y'all keep watching because my sis took a trip to the mountains and she sent me over some photos of her slaying there as well. And she did stop by my house like a week later and was gracious enough to just come on film just to give you guys a update on how this unit is holding up so y'all can see it in motion, the swing of the hair and everything. So dolls, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have all the information in the description box down below. And I did pick a name for that unit I reviewed last week, and a new name as well as the person who submitted that comment will be listed on the screen. And last but not least, dolls, I did pick a winner for my clip-ins giveaway. The name of the winner is Makeup Lover 2000. Go ahead and send me a DM on my Instagram, Faithfully Asia or Faithfully Asia Beauty. And dolls, if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And until next time, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.